How to log in into BECU Credit Card online account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to becu.org. Now on this web page, if you are new to this, you want to click on the Join option. If you have already created your account, click on the Login option. Then on the Login portal, enter your user ID. After that, enter your password. Now click on the login option. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link. If you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on the second link. If you want to log into your business online banking, you can head over to this portal. Once you have been successfully logged in, you will be directed to your BECU online banking dashboard or the account summary page. From there, you want to navigate to your credit card account by selecting it on the list. Click on the credit cards option. Once you have accessed your credit card account, you can view transactions, check your balance, make payments, and perform other account management activities. You can also apply for a new credit card from this section as well. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can directly contact the customer support of the bank. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.